In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your text size larger on Brave web browser. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we want to do is open up Brave. Now, once you've opened up Brave, you want to click on the three dots on the bottom right hand corner of the page here, and then look for settings, click into settings. And now once we're inside the settings part of Brave, we need to scroll down, navigate lower, and we need to find under display accessibility. Go ahead and click into that. And now from here we've got default zoom, so make text and images larger or smaller for all sites that you visit. So 100% comes default when you install your Brave browser. So to increase it, we've got a few different ways. We can just drag this slider left to right, or we can click on the plus icon to make it larger. And as you can see, the text below is getting larger as well. If we tap on minus, it's going to make it smaller. So if you want to go ahead and make it larger, go ahead and choose which size you want to use, and that's easier for your eyes, and then go back and continue browsing as you normally would.